In this screencast, let's take a look at density. We'll cover what it is. I think you already know the formula for it, how you can rearrange it, and we'll solve a few problems. This is screencast 2.2. Oh, imagine 13.5 grams of aluminum. I wonder if that's one container or maybe two. And if you squish it all down, no air there, you have a volume of 5 milliliters. What is the density of aluminum based on these numbers? Well, this is a direct plug-in. Write the formula and solve it. Density is mass over volume. There's your mass. There's your volume. It should be a relatively high number. Well, at least to me. 13.5 over 5. Let me make the point right here, since this is the first time we're doing a real calculation, that it's essential that you always include not just numbers but the units. If you just wrote 13.5 over 5, you're going to run into problems as this course progresses because the units are critical. Another neat thing is that the units can be treated like numbers. For example, if it was grams over grams, that would cancel. Anyhow, this is 2.7 grams per milliliter. That's a intensive property. That's the density of aluminum, regardless how much you have of it. Okay, knowing that, what would be the mass of 2 milliliters of aluminum? To solve that, use this density. You're going to have to rearrange. Density equals mass over volume. So what's mass? Is it volume over density? You could solve it algebraically, or if you like, you could write down this little triangle method. Draw a triangle just like this with a horizontal line and a vertical line. The horizontal line means divide, like m over v. The vertical line means multiply. So set it up. If density is mass over volume, we can write mass over volume. And that must be what density is. And therefore, what's mass? It's volume times density. What's volume? Mass divided by density. See? It's kind of handy. Alright, so mass is volume times density. It looks like 2 times 2.7. And here's a nice example of why it's important to include units. Milliliters times grams over milliliters equals grams. See how you can treat the units just like numbers? Milliliters over milliliters cancels. And you get an answer of 5.4 grams. This is Screencast 2.2.